especially these ones. And that thing's cool too.
Hey, just be careful.
No, I'm just into Mother Earth. I'm not into. I'm taking pictures, boss. I got you. Mother Earth still number one. Got to take a couple pictures. This beautiful planet. Ah, watch out, bro. They're paranoid around here. He knows. Good times. We get it, we get it. Stay frosty. It's just a camera. Come on, you gotta take pictures of these nice Dr. Seuss plants, you know? Look at this. Look at this. White cherry tree. Premium. Oh, yeah. Good times. Let's go put some art up. Oh, that's a cool trees. Potters we are. Stoners. The earth. Through the Venice basketball hoops. You know? It's nice here. Open the courts.